Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is Yui, and we're back with another robot video. Already, we have our trading pair signal, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up. There it is, Euro, United States dollar. We have $1,000 on the line, 3 minutes expiration time, and we are ready to receive our first signal of the session. Today, I wanted to go big. I wanted to show you how easy it is to make money with this robot. Hence, we have $1,000 trading amount set right now, and we're gonna keep it for at least 2 options to just show you how fast and easy it is to make above 1,000 with just 10 minutes of your time. So basically, let's see what the session brings us, and after the 2 options we will see how the things go, and if it goes well we will continue trading until we feel like we should stop. And there's the first signal, 2 minutes buy, and we are in. Let's immediately skip ahead and see if we got our first option of the day. Let's go. And there we have it, 4 seconds left, and we secure $920. Easy as that. This already alone would be already good enough. As you can see, the robot tells us that the option has been successful, and that is what is great about this robot. And of course, I have to remind you guys to join the Neos private trading group. It is available for everyone. However, the spots are limited, so make sure to send Neos a message and ask him whether there is a spot for you or not. There's another giveaway going on right now. The results are going to be available on 11th of April, so that's Monday. So make sure to watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. That's all you need. And also in this group you have a lot of possibilities to make money. We have private trading sessions going on every day from Monday to Friday, which you can also join by just joining this group. However, if you are not able to join this group, do not worry, do not get discouraged. You can still join the free signals group, and we have free signals in here, hence the name of course, but you will receive 2 to 3 signals every day when there is a private trading session starting at 4 p.m. London time. So you are not going to be missing out on much. However, having a full access to a full trading session is gonna yield you a lot of money, because the trading session lasts for about an hour and you will be able to make at least 9 or 10 signals in that time. All of those signals are given by Neos because he is a professional trader and he understands how to trade, and you'll be able to get a glimpse into how it's done and actually understand how the mind of a professional trader works, and maybe get something for yourself. But also in free signals group, as you can see, there's a lot of useful information for you, like strategies, how to find entry points, patterns, a lot of useful information for traders. And also there's some things, some tips that a lot of people don't understand, like that trading is a mental game. And of course we have some tips for that as well, so you do not get lost and do not get discouraged when you're trading and maybe the trading session doesn't go the way you were hoping it will. So make sure to join these groups. You can find all the links in the description below. Send Neos a message if you have any issues and he will guide you and help you set everything up. As I previously said, being in the right state of mind before you start trading is very important, and a lot of people actually miss out on that aspect, and that's why when they go into actual trading they start losing, their mind crumbles, and then they begin revenge trading and eventually lose their entire balance, which results in them not wanting to trade anymore. They just go back to their regular work and continue being, I don't know how to say it lightly, but honestly being a slave, because this is what I've been in that situation as well. And here we have the trading pair coming in for a second, so we're gonna go ahead and set that up. But yes, as I said, I've been in that situation as well, and after this signal I wanted to talk to you about that time and how I was working for a company that paid me well, but I still felt like I deserve way more and that I should be getting way more, but my company just wasn't meeting me there. And of course, eventually we parted our ways when I started trading and started using the trading robot. And then Neos approached me, and now I am trading full time every day. I have trading sessions on my main account, and then I do these things on my second account. I would say in a week I make around $30,000 to $40,000 from trading, which is an insane amount, and that is all thanks to Neos. And here we have the signal coming in, 2 minutes sell, and we are off. Let's skip ahead to the end of this option and see whether we got the dub. Let's go. And we have 5 seconds left, and it's really close, but it seems like we do going to secure the option $840, and that puts us at $1.6 thousand within 2 trades, and that is approximately 7 or 8 minutes of our time. And I could call it a day right here and right now. As you can see, the bot tells us that the option has gone through and it was successful. I could call it right now and I already would feel great. Like $1.6 thousand within 2 trades within 10 minutes of time is really good example. But we're gonna do a few more. We're gonna see where we end up, where we going, and I just wanted to showcase how good this robot is. And a lot of people are hesitating. They're still thinking whether they should get the robot. Is it worth it? Will it be good? Will it meet their expectations? That is why we're doing these videos, so you guys can see how this robot performs in the field, how it works, right? So when you're buying something, you will know whether the product is good or not. So here we have a pocket option broker, and we're trading every day. I don't use the robot every day now, but I do mix it up every second day. And you can see that the results are clearly there. And if you go to the robot, you can see how many wins in a row he has, or how many losses in a row he has. Everything is transparent, and it is fair to say that mathematically it is not possible to lose money with this robot, simply because there are way more wins than there are losses. There's a save option feature on this robot, which will actually, if you lose, if the option doesn't go the way the robot was predicting it will, the robot sends you a save option, which basically means you just double up your money and go in on the next option as well. And a lot of times, most of the times, it goes through and you get your money back and also make a little bit on top of it. So this robot is already proved to be great at what it does. And I think that you guys, when you're waiting for something to happen, you could be making money already all these days instead of just waiting for things to happen. They already happened. The robot is already here. All you need to do is get it for yourself and start trading. Set everything up. Make sure your workflow is set. Make sure your workspace is set right, and that's it. That's all you need for this robot, and then you just go in. And I think guys that if you're tired of working from 9 to 5, if you are tired of being treated or being underpaid by your boss or whatever, I don't know, if you're tired of those things, this is a good way to start working towards your financial independency. And this is how you do it. You start with a robot, you start trading, you join Neos private signals group, you join Neos free signals group, you start learning, you start doing social trading with Neos, where he's basically giving you the signals and explaining the reasons why he took that trade. So you're gonna start building up knowledge. Then little by little you go into trading yourself and still doing robot on the side and doing private trading sessions, because they're yielding amazing results. And after that, you will see how your balance just starts building up, how your balance goes from $100 that you put goes to 10,000 to 20,000. You can see it right here. We're making 10, 12,000 in a week on this account, and this is not even the main account. So this could be you, and you don't have to wait for nothing. Everything is already done for you. All you need to do is just go ahead. The free signals group is free. The private trading group is free. The signals in those groups are free. So you are not paying anything. You're just basically joining and you're starting to make money. Yes, the robot costs a little bit of money. That is fair, but there's a reason for that, because this robot is an insane piece of software and giving it out for free wouldn't make much sense, right? So here we have a trading pair signal. So we're gonna set it up. Actually, it's the same, so we're not. So it wouldn't make sense to give this out for free because people would just come in. Like there has to be a certain value to things, right? We put in work and it came out better than expected, and now it performs great and makes people a lot of thousands of dollars. And obviously if you buy the robot, you will make the money back from that purchase literally within the first trading session. So guys, stop hesitating, go check out our channel, see all the robot trading sessions, read the comments, read the reviews, and make a decision. Start getting the robot today. Don't sleep on it. Don't miss out on it. Just get it, start working, start trading, and tomorrow you will be able to say, yes, I can finally quit my job and spend more time with my loved ones, spend more time with family, buy things, go to vacations, etc. Now we put 2 minutes, sell, the option came in, we're ready to go. Let's keep ahead and see what we got. Let's go. And just like that, another $440, we have it locked in. $455 actually. So there it is. Unfortunately, the robot, it seems, had a slight delay, so we were a little bit behind, and it actually worked in our favor. So the robot gave out a safe option because it took a loss. It happens sometimes. There's a slight delay between the robot giving you the signal and you placing a bet. It's like 3 to 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Sometimes when the option is really close, the robot might take a loss or you might take a loss, but that happens really rarely, and that's usually on the markets that have really slow movement or volatility. So it happened, but let's skip ahead to the end of the safe option and see whether or not the robot was able to secure the money back. Let's go. Unfortunately, it looks like the robot actually took a loss with this safe option, so we would lose money in this situation if we went ahead and placed a safe option bet. But for us, it actually worked out the better way and we took a win. But to be fair, guys, I believe that I owe you, and I'm going to raise a trade. I'm going to raise the trade back to 1,000, or actually, let's do 2,000, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think you deserve some fairness. So we're gonna see whether the robot would be able to pull us out of losing both the initial trade and the safe option. We're gonna see by putting $2,000 on the line. If I lose this, that means I would still get a little bit of money, but that would be basically meaning that it was a draw in trading session, because I would literally end with the same amount of money that I started with, and that I cannot say that would be a great session. It would be not a bad session because we didn't lose much, but in the end we are here to make profit and to win. So let's skip ahead to the next option and let's do this big bet of $2,000. Let's go. And here we are about to receive a trading pair signal, and there it is, comes in, and we are ready to go. We are ready to roll. We have 2,000 on run, and honestly, I'm a little bit worried after placing that whole whole speech about how robot is great, it will be a bad look to lose $2,000 right now. The payout on this one is not great, but as I say, you have to trust in a robot and you have to follow the robot, and that's what we're doing. If it picked this signal, it means that it analyzed multiple pairs on multiple time frames and came with the conclusion that this is the best opportunity to make money. So we're going in here, and $2,000. The payout is 1.1k, which is not good and not bad, but we're taking this as the middle ground and we're following the robot. And of course, if this was a 92% payout, we would make almost $1,800 with one trade, which would be amazing. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. And there's the signal, 3 minutes buy, and we are in super fast. I think we have only like 1 second delay from the robot. So let's keep ahead and see whether we were able to secure the money, and already it looks good. I like it. Let's keep the same trend. Let's go. And there you have it, guys. There it is, $2,000 on the line, and we secure 1.1k dollars easily. So the robot does redeem itself, and as I keep saying, don't hesitate, get it today. Join all the groups that Neos has available for you. Start making money today. There it is, the robot tells us that the option has went through. So join all these groups. The links are in the description below. Get this robot and enjoy your time. I will see you in the next video. Peace.